Hello everyone, in this video is all about my experience with an interesting product which I kinda loved. The video is about a weight loss product called Meticore, which is synthesized by industry experts. All my dear friends who are struggling to lose weight are requested to watch this video till the entire end, as I have a badger for you all in the end. Also, I have put the official Meticore link in description if you also decide to buy. Now, weight loss has become a major problem among people of all ages. They are trying everything available in the market to get back their perfectly body shape and size. But unfortunately, very few of them succeed in this. A somewhat similar situation occurred with me a few years ago. After getting diagnosed with a serious disorder, I was admitted to the hospital for nearly 3 months. Those 3 months were very daunting for me, and even today I can't imagine those visuals anymore. After a terrible fight with my disorder, I somehow managed to cure it almost after 4 months. And finally got myself rid of complete bed rest. Although my previous problem was now resolved, but had given birth to a brand new problem. And this time, it was obesity. I used to weigh over 130 kgs during those days. I had no stamina left in my body. At that time, my only aim and the topmost priority in my life was to get back into shape and reduce my body fat. At that very moment, a very good friend of mine suggested to me about Meticore. He told me about his experiences with this product, which lit a ray of hope in me as well. On his command, I decided to order my capsules as well and give them a try at least once. Without hesitating, I ordered a supply of 90 days and started taking them seriously until I saw any results. Just within a few weeks, I saw some wonderful results. My fat started to disappear. I was amazed by the miraculous outcomes which it showed. And to give you some insight, I lost about 15 kgs just in the first month, and a total of about 50 kgs in the whole course of 90 days. The results of this product were so astonishing that I couldn't resist creating a video on it and share it with you all, guys. I hope all those among you who are struggling to reduce their weight now got an answer. If you ask for my opinion, I will recommend these capsules to anybody looking for a genuine solution. Being a male or female, it doesn't matter, as this product is not gender specific. Anybody, regardless of their age, weight, height or gender, can consume these pills. Moreover, they are created in the USA with a fully secured and safe environment. The facility producing these is FDA and GMP certified. They have always made sure to keep their manufacturing unit sterile and hygienic. The Meticore capsules work on a very innovative system. Look, according to scientific researchers, our metabolism is greatly responsible for our body weight. To make it easier for you to understand, I must tell you from the basics. Our body is made up of some small cells that have their temperature. If this temperature is maintained at a certain level, then there is no problem at all. But if this reduces to a certain extent, then the stages of obesity starts. It leads to excess fat storage and no fat burning. This is the time when Meticore comes into use. Meticore is designed in such a way that it increases the core body temperature. As this increases, the fat burning process starts. All the accumulated fat starts to burn. And in the later stages, it even gets flushed out from the body. Low core body temperature is the root cause for slow metabolism and hence can't be ignored. and the Meticor is the ultimate weapon against it. It is a completely natural product with a very high rate of efficiency. It is the only product available in the market which contains all those 6 essential minerals and vitamins which directly targets the low core body temperature and stimulates the body to initiate the fat burning mechanism. Now, talking about its benefits, I must assure you that it is a non-GMO and a 100% natural product. It is free from any kind of stimulants and it is not tolerant forming. Besides all these benefits and exceptional results, the brand Meticor also offers a 60 days money back guarantee. They claim that if you do not see any results or if you are not satisfied with the quality, you may return the product without giving any justification and your full money will be refunded. I would recommend you to take pictures in front of the mirror daily for the next 90 days. And later you'll be surprised by the outcomes. Now, some people may be worried about its safety, so I must point out that it is manufactured in a world-class FDA approved facility. Since Meticor is just helping you to restore your core body temperature, there is no harm in it, nor it has any reported side effects. Now, to conclude the video, I must discuss some very important pros and cons of Meticor. The first thing which comes to my mind is metabolism. As I already told you previously, that Meticor is not just meant for weight loss, but also a full body development. It increases your stamina and makes you less lethargic as well. This medicine will never make you dependent on itself. Soon you will realize that your body is becoming self-sufficient to work properly and break down all the excess fat on its own. And since it contains antioxidant properties, I must assure you that soon after using it for a few days, you will start noticing some drastic changes in your body and energy levels. Even when I started taking these pills, my energy level boosted tremendously. I was able to go for a 5-mile run without feeling tired. So again, it's a good thing. And the third and the best positive thing about Meticor is its price. The reasonable price makes it easy for everyone to afford it without bothering their bank balance. And the only con which I faced during my journey was to maintain regularity, which according to me is the most vital aspect for success. You can't be irregular with its dosage. You have to show perseverance, at least for a few weeks, to truly explore its potential. Also, if you follow the medication consistently, then it will allow the capsules to work at their full capabilities and fulfill your goals at a much faster pace. As I promised you in the beginning about the surprise, so I have put a special discounted link in the description box to buy Meticor. You may click on that link and directly visit their website. In the end, I would request you guys to please be serious about your health, because prevention is always better than cure. Thanks guys for watching the entire video. I would be really happy if you drop a like and a genuine comment below. Thank you.